Hey, it's Andy from AudioCityUSA, and today we're going to be discussing how much it costs to change a set of wheels. Now, this is a question we get a lot here at AudioCityUSA. The short answer is that is all dependent on what you're trying to do. But now let's get into the long answer and give you a realistic cost breakdown. Before we get started, we need to talk about reasons why you might want to replace a set of wheels. Now, these reasons are usually down to road damage. Now, that comes over time. We have potholes, we have all sorts of terrible road conditions. Now, this could crack or break your wheels, and that is the number one reason why most people want to get their wheels changed. But we also have reasons like rust and corrosion, especially if you have steel wheels, they're prone to corrosion. We also have aesthetic and performance-based reasons. People want to change out the look of their stock wheels because no one likes stock wheels, or they're looking to get performance wheels because they want to track their car or they want to do more high-performance driving, and that's a very popular reason why people change their wheels. Now let's get into the cost of how much it'll be to do so. So let's start with the wheels themselves. Now, the wheels can range from anywhere between $500 to up and well over $5,000, and it really just depends on the size, the brand, the material, and various other factors, but mostly down to the material. From cast wheels all the way up to forged wheels, we have a whole range of prices, and that comes down to manufacturing costs. Cast wheels are generally cheaper to manufacture versus forged wheels, which are going to be a whole lot more expensive. We have material type from magnesium wheels to just cast, steel or alloy wheels. Those are going to vary greatly as well. We also have brands. So whether you're going with a set of HREs or maybe a set of Bavars, which we still have available at AudioCityUSA.com, that's also going to determine the price. But generally speaking, $500 to up and well over $1,000 is something to keep in mind. We also have the cost of labor. Now, this is where we're going to break it down and get into it. The installation costs themselves are going to be between $50 to $200 just to install the wheels, depending on how much work is required. If you have accessories like tire pressure monitoring, or maybe you want nitrogen inflation, those are also extra costs. TPMS is about $100 to $150 a wheel. We also have shipping and handling. Once those wheels are installed, we need to ship them out to you. Now, it's different than if you come in here to Santa Fe Springs and get the wheels done in person. Obviously, you're gonna have no shipping and handling fees. But if you're living somewhere in Hawaii, or maybe you're on the East Coast, that's gonna have a shipping fee, which is involved because we take our wheels, we get them ready for installation, we mount them, we balance them, and we ship them out to you on a pallet. So depending on where you live, the shipping costs will also vary. Another thing you need to keep in mind is your tire choice. Whether you go with a set of Lexanis, which are a great set of daily drivers, or you need some more performance-orientated Michelin Cup 2s or Michelin Pilot Sports, the tire choice is going to vary as well. So I know this sounds very relative, but what I highly recommend doing is having a little breakdown sheet of all the elements that go into your wheels. So for instance, let's say you want high performance tires, but you don't mind a slightly cheaper set of wheels, then you can kind of offset the cost one with the other. And that is something that I recommend doing. Another thing that's going to impact the cost of your wheels is going to be the size. So if you go for a larger diameter wheel, maybe 24 inch, 26 inch, that's going to cost more than the exact same style in maybe a 20 or a 22. So cost is a relative factor as well. For all the latest pricing, you can go to AudioCityUSA.com or give our experts a call on the number below, and we can give you the most current pricing so you can kind of build out your dream wheel setup. Now, I want to leave you guys with some frequently asked questions we get about the cost of wheel replacement. Now, the first one is the price range for luxury or performance wheels. Luxury and performance wheels will start at around $700 to $1,000 and can go up to well over $5,000. Can you repair a damaged rim instead of replacing it? The short answer is no. If a wheel is warped, cracked, or damaged in any significant way, you will need to replace that set of wheels. You're not going to repair it because if you do that, you're subject to more damage soon after that repair. If it's something superficial, like a nick around the lip of it or on the face of it, you can repair that for around $100. Is rim replacement worth it for improving my car's look? Absolutely. Changing a set of wheels is something that is almost essential because a lot of the time factory wheels are quite ugly. Manufacturers make these things en masse for every single car. So not only is changing it out going to give you a unique look, but you can get some performance benefits out of it as well. Namely, they're lighter, and so you will potentially save on fuel as well because your wheels have less rotating mass. And finally, do custom wheels affect my overall driving experience? Yes, they do. Let's say if you have a set of factory wheels that has, quite a small diameter with a large sidewall, and you go to a set that is a larger diameter with much thinner sidewall, you're going to get a slightly more involved driving experience. You're going to feel the road a little more. That does include potholes as well, but you're going to have a more connected feel to the road. It's going to be an overall different sensation. And similarly, if you had big wheels and you go to something that's a little smaller with a higher sidewall, you're going to get a much softer driving experience, maybe more comfortable and potentially quieter as well. But overall, you will have a different driving experience. However, if your wheels are mounted correctly and they're balanced right, the car is going to drive just as well as it did otherwise. However, you are going to have a different feeling overall. Anyway, I hope that answers a few questions that you guys have about the cost of wheel replacement. If you have any further questions or you want to learn more, give us a call at the number below or go to AudioCityUSA.com, where our experts can help you spec out your dream wheel setup and give you a price for everything. My name is Andy, and I'll see you guys in the next video.